I did a bit of drugstore perfume shopping and I picked up some gems that I want to share with you. So if you love an unboxing, you love fragrances, and you want to know what the drugstores are selling right now, then stick around and let's get into it.
I hope I'm not wasting my time, jumping all the way in too deep. I hope you're not missing.
Hi, I'm Jeanique and shoppers got me. I went a little buy happy picking up new fragrances from the drugstore that I'm really excited to share with you. Now obviously they have the really bougie designer fragrances, they have more discounted ones, but I'm going to share what I picked up. I'll tell you why. This isn't a big unboxing, but it'll be a fun one. And if you like this kind of video, you love a good time, you think I'm a vibe, because I am, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe? I would really appreciate it, and don't forget to hype the video. It's been so long since I placed this order that I'm not entirely sure what's in here. Should I be ashamed to say that? Maybe, possibly. So the receipt, let's not spoil the fun. It's not going to be a very big unboxing, just got a few items and I want to take you through all of them. So first up, I picked up this fantastic travel set of Gucci Flora. Now y'all, I love these little travel like collection items because it gives me an opportunity to spend about a month with each of these fragrances, trying, spraying, seeing what I think, to see if like any of these really strike a chord with me, and I can make a really informed decision about if I want to pick up a full-size bottle of any one of these. I used to be very blind buy happy, and I have another unboxing to come with all blind buys for the most part. And I'm not ashamed to do that. I'm not afraid to do that. But occasionally, and not just occasionally, I want to try the fragrances for a bit longer than just sampling or testing in store to see if I really want to commit. So the three fragrances in this guy here are Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid, we have Flora Gorgeous Gardenia, and we have Gardenia Intense. Now Gardenia Intense is the new drop because they had a version of this last year where they had the green one instead of this guy here. So they do these every year around the holidays or around sale periods, so people get a chance to pick something up where they don't have to commit to one fragrance alone, and they can try a few of them. So let's try these out. I'll tell you what I think of them on first sniff, and just kind of get a sense if I'm excited that I picked these up. So the first one I'm going to try is Gorgeous Orchid, and this is a very popular one from the line. People seem to enjoy this one a fair bit. Very light floral, fruity sweetness with a little bit of tartness. At least that's what's coming through initially. You get something very fruity, almost citrus leaning. Like I'd almost want to say mandarin orange or something like yuzu. Anything that's like slightly sweet, slightly citrusy, a little bit tart, very pretty. I can understand people like this. This is giving fruity floral, but lighter, airier, and far more discreet. Like that is the vibe of this one. Next up, let's get the original Gardenia on deck. The green one is Jasmine. This one is Gardenia. This one isn't nearly as popular as the Orchid version, although this is a little bit older. Definitely more floral forward. You get that hit of white floral. It is a little bit sweet, not just a little bit. It's a fair bit of sweetness in here, but a much stronger scent profile than the last one. The last one felt very airy, light, everyday. This feels like a little bit more intense, a little bit more grown up, and a little bit more floral forward. Have you subscribed yet? If you haven't done so, go ahead and do it, because I would really appreciate it, and you will have fun over here, and you want to be reminded of the fun. Now, I haven't sampled this one at all. So this is the one that I'm most nervous about, is the intense version of Gardenia. Now, based on the juice and the purple and all the things, I don't know what to expect. I didn't even look up the notes, y'all. Does that mean I didn't do my homework? Or I'm just going with the flow, y'all. Just going with the flow. Wow, that one's a lot woodier, maybe even a little bit spicy. The floral comes through. It does read very intense, maybe even a little bit sexy. I think the syrupy sweetness comes through in a way that feels a little bit heavier and thicker than we get with the other versions. This feels like the nighttime version. Like the first one, Orchid, is everyday running errands. Gardenia is maybe something like a girl's night out, and this is for date nights. Like that is the vibe it is giving. I think this is really pretty. Is this going to be my favorite of the Gucci fragrances? I don't know yet, but it's a strong contender, I'm not gonna lie. Now, I talked about this fragrance in my last video, where I was sampling a bunch of fragrances for my Scent Expedition series, and this one was one of the fragrances that I tested during the month of October and talked about at the start of this month, or the start of November, or sometime in November, and it's Valentino Donna Born and Roma Extradose. And I've talked about how much the Donna Born and Roma line has me in a chokehold, and when I saw this bottle, I smelled the juice. It just smells so romantic, so very pretty, and I was kind of obsessed with it. So let's try Extradose and see if it hits as much as it did the last time I tried it. It's so sweet. It's floral without being too much. There is like some darkness, maybe something like a vetiver in the base. There's something really like dark, mysterious in the base, but over top it just feels romantic, pretty, sweet, and succulent. But look at this bottle, y'all. Look at it. Look how gorgeous and beautiful. Everything about this just screams girly, sweet, romantic. And the juice screams that as well. I'm such a fan of this one, and I have absolutely no regrets. Yeah, I love this fragrance. Before we get to the last item, I got a few samples here. The first one is from Benefit. It's the Professional Foundation Smoothing and Blurring Foundation. I've never tried any foundation from Benefit. That's not true. I've tried a skin tint, but not a foundation from them. Next is from Alien. It's Alien Hypersense sample. And we also have a YSL Myself sample. This is for men. It's YSL L'Absolu. I think, you know, more fragrances the merrier. I didn't get 3 fragrances, I got 2 though, and I get to try a new foundation, so what's not to love? The last item and the one that like motivated me to make this purchase was I wanted to pick up this fragrance discovery set. I love a fragrance discovery set. I think they're such great deals. You usually pick them up on discount, and if you make the right choice, because not all choices are created equal, you can get one of these fragrances for a fraction of what you would normally buy it if you're buying the fragrance outright. Plus you get to sample a bunch of other fragrances you may not have tested yet. Now, I've tried most of these, but that's me and my addiction to fragrances. If you are in Canada and you have not considered one of these, maybe think about it. Now, I've done a specific video on like fragrance gifts or gifts for people around Christmas, and I talked about the Shoppers fragrance sample set. The deal isn't as good as it used to be. It used to be under $100. It's more expensive than that now. I think I got this for $120. But once you factor in the discounts, I got a discount and 20%, 20,000 points back, was $20 back. I think it was a fantastic buy. As you can see, there are 6 fragrances in here that you get to sample, and then you have a what is this called? This is a gift certificate to redeem any one of these bottles for a full size. Now, the fragrances in here, as you can see, we have Donna Born in Roma Green Stravaganza. So we just looked at Extradose, so it's from the same line. This is like the green version, the greener fragrance in that line, and we started off with this being the front runner because I've been wanting this. Just like with the Gucci fragrances, I picked up a travel size of this fragrance, fell in love with it, and I do want a full size, but there is a contender in here, y'all, and it's this Scandal fragrance. It's one of the other fragrances I talked about in my Scent Expedition video, the last Scent Expedition video, which I will link. And this was so good, y'all. This is Scandal Absolute. I was not as much a fan of the new Scandal Intense, but Scandal Absolute was so beautiful. It was in my wish list fragrance like items. The other fragrances in here are Narcisa Rodriguez for Her, Irresistible Givenchy. There's a comparison video coming with the Irresistible fragrances where I compare the 3 fragrances in that line, including the velvet fragrance and the floral fragrance, to let you know which is my favorite. We have the original Black Opium. I feel like these are always in here. We also have Gucci Flora Orchid, the one I just tested just to know. We have a Burberry Her. Is this the original or is this? No, this is the original. This is Eau de Parfum. My favorite is the Elixir. It's fire. It smells like strawberry milk. It's so good. It's better than the original, which is pretty powdery. This one is Daisy Wild from Marc Jacobs. I already have this fragrance, so obviously I'm not going to pick it up, but this one is really beautiful. We have Versace Bright Crystal, My Way. Is this the original My Way? The very popular original My Way. I am a fan of this. Right now I'm kind of lusting after Lang, and I kind of want Nectar as well, but this is the original. I have the original, but only a travel version of the original. And finally, we have Chloe Eau de Parfum Intense, which I have not tried. I've tried the original. Again, back to my Scent Expedition video I just talked about. I tried Chloe Luminous, which is one of the fragrances currently on my tray. It's one of the travel fragrances I'm taking around and testing out and seeing if I like. And it's growing on me more and more. I'm kind of in love with Luminous right now. So I'm excited to try Eau de Parfum Intense from Chloe to see if this one is another winner from the brand. That was fun, right? I told you. I went in, I picked up fragrances from Shoppers, and I'm very proud of myself because I feel like I got all kinds of goodies that I'm excited to play with, because that's what I'm going to do. No, I think the thing I'm most excited about is the discovery set, because even though I've tried some of the fragrances in there, it don't mean I can't try them again. And there are so many fragrances in there that are wish list items that I can now redeem. I just don't know which one. Which one would you get? Which one are you feeling? Which one would you pick? Green Extravaganza? Scandal Absolute? Chloe? Armani? Who is the winner in your eyes? I want to know. Put down in the comment section which one I should pick, which one you would pick. I would love to know more because I'm kind of excited about this discovery set. But I also get all of these Gucci travel sets as well as Extradose finally. So thank you for being here. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you subscribed, liked the video, hype the video, do the thing for me. I would appreciate it. Don't make me beg, y'all. That's not how we want to do this. Not at all. Now, I have more videos to come and you don't want to miss out. So I hope you go ahead and subscribe because it's going to continue to be a vibe over here because I'm a vibe. You're a vibe. We're a vibe together. So do the thing. Again, I'm Jeanique. I love our drugstore fragrances and drugstore aisle shopping because there are so many beautiful fragrances in there. Don't sleep on them, y'all, because winners always. Now, when I find a gem and when I find loves, I'll bring them to you because I have to talk about it because I, overshare. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone. Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like